Namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking on behalf of Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also. Please join with us as early as possible. So our company is established in 1983. So we have around 38 years of huge experience in this pulse and jewelry industry. We believe customer is our God. And our company's main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. So today I bring in front of you around 4 gold chokers and 4 gold earrings and 1 gold chain and 1 real stone mala. All are very beautiful ones, studded in 22 carats gold. First we will see the overview, then I will explain each and every product. This is a multicolor one. This is Navratan choker. This is with complete milky white pulse and Nakshi balls, and a beautiful choker with very less weight, just 6 grams weight, and a beautiful earrings also, 4 earrings. So before explaining clearly, we need to tell our company brand name and our brand address. So our brand name is Krishna Pulse. We have around 5 branches in this Hyderabad city. Our main branch is in Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the metro station, on the way to Peddamma Temple. If you come from the opposite side, from High Tech City area, just opposite to the Beyond Coffee. So our company logo is peacock in brown color. Please see this, because most of the people are confusing. Our customers are telling we are confusing on Krishna name. So many stores are available. So see this logo clearly. This is our store, and we have a video call shopping facility is also available. For that number is 9248036721. Once again I am repeating, 9248036721. On your request we will show our store and all the products, related products also. You can select by group video calling also, or if any other queries and inquiries, this number you need to WhatsApp to this number. So we have an international shipping facilities also available, that is also free all over the major countries in the world. For some countries they charge the custom charges, and some has some bill limit is there for some countries. So if you WhatsApp us, then we will tell that clearly. So if it is in India, we have all over India free courier facilities there. We are not charged a single rupee also, and if it is in local, our person personally comes and deliver the products. So our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. You can directly purchase from our website also. You will get all types of pulse jewelry with a combination of silver and gold. So we will explain each and every product. So this is the beautiful choker, newly came with CJets here, and here the English color rubies, very light color rubies, and here we are using the champagne color pulse, beautiful in lightweight. I will show clearly. On the back side we are provided the dory, so it is adjustable according to your neck length or dress and saree length. So very beautiful choker in lightweight. See the CJets quality and ruby quality, very fine. We are provided the caps to the rubies also at the end with the Nakshi design. We are using very finest quality pulse. See clearly. Beautiful color rubies, very awesome piece, just newly came. This is purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark is provided, the company logo and government symbol. This is designed by our designers and made in our work unit only. We have very skilled labor. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our WhatsApp number. Our team is ready to give the answers. If you want, they will show the related designs also. Beautiful piece. If anybody misses watching our live program, then our program is available in IGTV, in Instagram. Please watch after, whenever you have free time. So we will see the weights and prices of this. This is gross weight is 73.1 grams, around 73 grams is the gross weight, including CJets, rubies, pearls and gold. And net weight is 12.3 grams only. I told now very less weight is there, just 12.3 grams is the net gold. And the price is also very reasonable, just 1,65,000. Approximate price is 1,65,000, and that is also not final price. Please take the snapshot and approach our team. We will give the very best deal on rubies, pearls, making charges, value addition. We have chance to give the very best price, 1,65,000. So one more piece is there, one more color in the same similar design. You can see with green Russian emeralds. Now the emerald is fashion emerald, and here we are using the milky white pearls. In the previous one rubies and champagne color pearls, but here we are using the milky white pearls and Russian emerald. See the very clarity is there in the stones. Similar piece only, but that is with ruby, this is in with emerald, with CJets same. See, because generally this is called as Nizam style in Hyderabad. Most of the people, customers ask with the emerald and pearls. We will see the weights and prices of this one. See one more clearly, because we are provided backside dory, that is more useful nowadays, because according to your neck length and dress code, it is easy to adjustable. If it is backside chain, then it is difficult to adjust, only few rings are available. So nowadays we are providing dory only. Beautiful piece with the Russian emerald color. See the glitters of the stone. We will see the weights and prices of this one.
Swati Reddy.
Namaste Swati Reddy Garandi. Thank you for watching our live program. I will tell them, ma'am. This is gross weight is 60 grams only. Compared to that, this is very less. Just 60 grams is the gross weight, including emerald, CJets and pearls and gold. Net weight is just 12.3 grams. Similar what the present in with the ruby choker. This is also 12.3 grams net weight, and price is 1,41,000 only. That is 1,65,000. This is 1,41,000 only, because this is gross weight is less in this. So we will give the very best deal also, ma'am. In the future, we will give 80% value on stones and pearls also. Gold we will gold we will give the 100% value. On stones and pearls and silver items also, we will give 80% value. That is the advantage from our Krishna Jewellers. So one more is a different one with all real stones: yellow sapphire, blue sapphire, emerald, ruby, garnet. Again 4-5 stones are there, all real stones with cut stones, very small, little bit smaller size to bigger size graduation. Backside we are provided the dory. See the glitters of the stones, from lighter emerald to darker emerald, lighter ruby to darker ruby. I will show clearly. This is very trend right now, multicolor, matches on all the dresses. Beautiful setting done by of our experienced workers called as patwas. They will done by their hands. Very beautiful piece. See the glitters of the stones. See the how much clarity is there. Little bit smaller size to little bit bigger size graduation. Yellow sapphire, blue sapphire, emerald, ruby. 4 types of stones we are using. 4 types of precious stones. Again repeated the same concept. Yellow sapphire, blue sapphire, emerald and ruby. At the end they are provided the little bit big size ruby cut stones. Inside is nylon silk thread. So very strong thread. We are using 2-3 rows here. We will see the weights and prices of this one. One second. This weight is 427 carats. This weight is 427 carats. good weight. Price is very reasonable, just 64,300. 64,300 is the price, and we will offer the very special discount also. Who approaches as early as to our team, we will give very best deal, and you will get the 80% exchange value also after some years. So please take the snapshot and approach our team as early as possible. So one more beautiful gold earring I will show you. Beautiful, you can see with the rubies and pearls, milky white pearls with CZ combination. The CZs are almost looking like polkis only, uncuts like. Very beautiful piece with the Mumbai screw. On your request, we will provide the Chennai screw or pushing also, because some people like pushing, some people like hook. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark, designed by our designers and made in our work unit. Total hallmark will present on 2 pieces. We will tell the weights and prices of this. This gross weight is 11.3 grams, including CZs, pearls and stones, red color stones, 11.3 grams. And net gold weight is around 6 grams. 6 grams is the net gold weight. So almost 3 grams each piece. Price is around 46,000. 46,000. We will give the very best deal. Gold on gold we will charge with today's rate. Rest of pearls, CZs and red color stones we will give the very best deal. And at the end we will add 3% GST that goes to the government. So one more beautiful with emerald, green uncut stone and CZs with Mumbai screw, purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark. Hallmark is provided here also on 2 pieces. With small flower type CZs we are used. Very beautiful piece, very delicate and lightweight one. You can see Mumbai screw is there back side. On your request we will provide the Chennai screw or pushing. Beautiful, see the clarity of the stone. Only one piece is there. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach us. We will take the orders also, same thing we will made and give you, but color of the stones we are not give 100% guarantee. Sometimes the stones in this problem is they will little bit variation will present on the color and weights. This gross weight is around 8.6 grams is the gross weight, including pearls, CZs and gold and green color stones. Net weight is just 4.7 grams only 4.7 grams, almost 2 grams each piece. And price is very reasonable, around 35,000 is the price, and that is also not final price. We will offer you very best price, just 35,000. You will get a beautiful broad earrings, stud plus hanging like. So one more beautiful piece, simple and nice one. In this so many pieces are there, so many designs. This is the one design latestly came with the broad square type, around 9 stones. The emerald, cut emeralds are present with the milky white jhumka we are provided, purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. Hallmark will be present on each piece. Beautiful piece, Mumbai with Mumbai screw. These are all designed by our designers, made in our workshop. We have our own workshop. See, here is the Mumbai screw. On your request, if you want, we will made in Chennai screw or pushing also, but as general we are provided the Mumbai screw. So we will see the weights and prices of this small jhumka. Gross weight is just 6.9 grams, including pearls, green stones and gold, just 6.9 grams only. Net weight is 4.830 grams, only 4.8 grams, so each one is 2 grams. So price is also very reasonable, just 32,000. On 32,000 you will get a beautiful jhumka, stud plus hanging. We will give the very best deal also on this. We will offer you very special discounts. So please take the snapshot and approach our team, or if you want any other designs in this also, we will get more designs. So one more beautiful choker. Previously also I showed this one, but newly came this one. This is the hot cakes in our stores, because very less weight. In this very less weight, only gold is here on this 7 pieces only, brooches like hangings with milky white pearls and uncut emerald beads with the kaka moti pearls. Inside is nylon silk thread. Back side we are provided the dory, so it is adjustable according to the neck length. Beautiful piece, simple and nice one. It looks for your daughters also, it looks very nice and beautiful. And small birthday parties, night functions, dinners, it is very looks very awesome piece. I will show clearly. See the clarity of the pulse, very difficult work. This is called as jolly work. Only experienced workers will do this one. Those are called as patwas. They will do here by manually. No machine involvement is there here. It is very difficult to do the hole at the middle part of this pulse, small size pulse, and do the stitching. That is the specialty of the Kakamoti pulse. Very typical work. We will see the weights and prices of this one.
Kirti madam.
Namaste Kirti Garandi, thank you for watching our live streaming. I will tell the weights and prices of this ma'am. This grass weight is 37.4 grams. Total necklace choker weight is only 37.4 grams, including pearls, greenstones, seedjets and pearls. Net weight is 7.1 grams only. Only 7.1 grams is the net weight on these 7 pieces only. That means each piece is 1 gram approximately. So this price is very reasonable, around 77,500. 77,000 is the very reasonable price, and that is also not final price except gold. Rest of all we have chance to give the best prices. We will give the discount on stones, seedjets, pearls and making charges and value addition also we will give very best price. This is also purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. So please approach us in very lightweight. This price. This price is around 77,500. Approximate price is 77,500. Don't think that is the final price. We will give very best deal also. Please approach our team. So one more beautiful choker is there. This is called as Navaratna choker. All types of 9 gemstones are available here. This is the starts from cat's eye, yellow sapphire, emerald, blue sapphire, ruby, diamond means seedjed, pearl, red coral and garnet, horsenet garnet. With milky white pearl hangings we are provided. This is called as around 9 pendants like we are provided this one. Previously also I showed this one. We are get very good response with this. Back side we are provided the dory. I will show one more time. Very beautiful. So many customers are asked about this one. This is again we are made one more piece newly. This is also started in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. Very lightweight. This is called as ultra lightweight jewelry. See the clarity of the stones. Beautiful pieces. Clarity of the stones and pulse setting. Total we are provided the Nakshi work also. See the glitters. I don't know how it is looking on the video, but here physically it is looking very beautiful piece. If anybody likes, please approach our team immediately. Only one piece is there in this. If you place the order, it takes around 15 to 20, and nowadays it becoming more late also, 25 days also it is taking, because so many orders are there, everyday orders are coming, that's why. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This grass weight is 66 grams including stones, pearls, seedjets and gold. Net weight is 26.5 grams. 26.5 grams is a good weight is there here. Total price is a little bit higher and only 2,12,000. 2,12,000 is the choker, but beautiful with Navaratna concept, because some people specifically wants the Navaratna chokers. For them it is a very beautiful piece. 2,12,000. And anyhow we will give the very best deal. Don't think this is the final price. Please take the snapshot and approach our team. So one more beautiful earring I will show you. Small hanging with purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark, with drop size milky white pearls and red cut rubies are there. So beautiful with Kakamoti pearls, small tiniest pearls. We will not stick it, we will stitch it and we are the stitched it one. This is also provided with Mumbai screw. On your request we will do the Chennai screw or pushing. Beautiful peacocks. See, on peacock part we are using the blue sapphire stones, and on the eye part ruby, on the eye we are using the ruby stone. Green color enamel we are using here. See, beautiful piece, awesome piece. Only one piece is there. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot immediately and approach our team. Only one piece is there. This is designer piece made by of our designers. In the designing part, so much hard work will be present. On each design they take around 4 hours, sometimes they take days also for designing. Then other team they will draw it and make it on the manufacturing unit. Beautiful peacock with kakamoti pulse, blue sapphire and ruby. Something special design this one. So we will see the weights and prices of this one. This is around 12 grams is the grass weight, including total pulse, stones and kakamoti pulse and enamel also. That means each piece is 6 grams. Net gold is around 10 grams, though that means 5 grams is the gold is there. Price is around 70,000. 70,000 is the price, but very reasonable only. Very so much designing work is there in this. So if anybody likes, please approach, because this is a special piece. Some people we want a very special one. That is, this is one of the special piece of our Krishna collections. So if anybody likes, please approach our team. Beautiful piece. So we will see one more chain, last one. Beautiful with very finest quality pulse and diamond shape Nakshi ball designs, Nakshi gold balls is there. Total milky white pulse, very good luster is there, good shining is there. This is useful for kids also, for boys also. It looks very nice on dhoti functions, sherwanis. If you want to increase the length, you can provide backside dori, or we will increase the gold rings also. See how clarity is there. Little bit on the Nakshi balls we are given the dull finish. Beautiful piece this one. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This is grass weight is around 32 grams is the grass weight, including pulse gold, and net gold weight is 18.5 grams. So heavy weight is there, 18.5 grams. Total inside is also gold is there. Purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark we are provided. Designed by our designers and made in our manufacturing unit. This price is around 1,60,000. 1,60,000 is the price, but very finest quality, big size pulse we are using. That's why see the clarity of the pulse and glitters of the gold. Little bit matte finish we are given here, dull like finish. So if anybody likes, please approach our team. So hoping you like today's collections. So if anybody missed to see the program, our program is saved in the IGTV in the Instagram. Please see from whenever you will get the free time. So we have around 4 branches are there. Our first branch is in Old City near Charminar, Pathragatti area. The second store is in Hotel Taj Krishna. Very royal collections you will get there. Very beautiful store. If you have time, please visit that store. And 2 more stores are available in Hotel Novotel and beside Hyderabad International Convention Center. Very fast moving products are available there. And one more beautiful store in all of you know that in Jubilee Hills Road number 36 in the very luxury area, premium area. But the prices are very reasonable only. In the ground floor you will get the gold, diamond collections and polki collections and stone collections. especially for marriages collections. Our store is very famous in the ground floor. So in the second floor you will get the plenty of collections in pearls, pearls with gold, pearls with silver. You will get the South Sea pearls, Tahiti pearls, Basra pearls, Mikimoto pearls, freshwater pearls, Akai pearls, all types of pearls you will get, KC pearls also. From last year onwards, we have started the silver house of silver also. We are getting very good response from there also. We will take the orders also from small item to big item. You will get the different types of items, wall clocks, dining tables, chairs and dinner sets and all types of idols, god idols you will get. So we will use very pure silver also, 92.5% silver, not 70 or 80%. So hoping you like today's episode. Thanking you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Signing out, Suman.